that, man. That's what happens in Thailand, man. Y'all better zoom to Thailand. I'm not playing no games out here. Little say you dig?
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
Surprise, this is L. Hello, America. We say L. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
I'm tired of America, so I'm hitting Richie on the net. I got the tickets, that's a bet. We need the link, my brother set it up. Damn, I didn't had enough. Ooh, I won't lie. Can I get a little shake with them fries? My skin tone is matching your eyes. Black men, you know we like them thighs. And baby, she can do it all. Your land is my land, cut through it all. Gotta sing it, baby, baby, like Biggie Smalls. I'm like, my, when she do that walk. I zoom to Thailand.
Man, they be mad. See, this is, I don't ask her, y'all. This is just, I done said this a million times. I wake up and she handling that business. Y'all can't smell it though. She put this good little smell stuff on there. It smells good too. Y'all just want to see the backside there, y'all. Y'all want to see Elle, man. They like to see Elle. There she go. There she go. They don't want to see my fat ass. They want to see Elle. Save yourself, black man. Say, save yourself, black man.
Save yourself, black man.
Shout out to Jamaica, save yourself, black man. Now, they not gonna all be as fine as Elle. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I came up. But they still have the same spirit, the same mind, the same heart. Some of them might be finer than Elle. Elle, is there prettier girls than you in Thailand? Women pretty? Has it got pretty women in Thailand? As you can see, Elle's dress cost 149 baht. That's approximately $4.67. She's happy with that dress. She picked it out. You see, fellas, the materialistic thing out here doesn't compare to what you're putting up with back at home. Don't get me wrong, ladies around the world like nice things, but the priorities are different. She would rather send her money home to her family and make sure they're straight instead of buying a $400 dress. Instead, she buys the $4 dress and gets the waist taken in because of her tiny feminine waist. In my opinion, she looks just as good, if not better, in the $4 dress than the $4,000 dress. Y'all tap in the comment section and tell me what you think. Dress. We headed out to Bangkok before my trip to LA, and after all she does for me, I wanted to do something nice for her. And remember, just like I don't ask her to do the things she does, she didn't ask me for this either. I noticed even though she looks good in the $4 dress, she had on some comfortable shoes. She was rocking what we call in the States, bubble gums. You know I can't have Elle rocking bubble gums. So I took her to the Nike store in Bangkok for a little surprise. The PWPs will call this Trickin. What's a PWP, you ask? I call that people without passports. The brothers that have traveled overseas unanimously tell the same story. No matter where you go, whether it's Africa, Europe, or Thailand, pound for pound, we get treated way better than we do in the Matrix. Think I'm lying? Wait, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna do a poll on people who traveled outside of the Matrix and let them tap in and tell y'all so y'all can't say I'm capping. You dig? Anyone that's traveled overseas or even to Canada or Mexico, let us know, let the world know. Do people get treated better outside the Matrix? I'm just asking for a friend. And a few subscribers, and all of my Patreon members. Anyway, let me get back to getting Elle out of these bubblegum. You dig? There we go, we're getting her right. She have a $4 dress and $200 Nikes. So she stirs my coffee, she does my toes, she get that. I can't have her rocking those when she with the Travel OG. You need to get a smaller size? But you like those? They look comfortable, yeah. Your little $4 dress and your $200 Nike. With the big old legs. Nighttime in Bangkok. Elle and I decided to head over to Chinatown, known to have some of the best Thai food in Thailand. As we jumped on the tuk-tuk, we began to take in the night air and the view of the city during the rainy season. Tourism is back. beautiful, fit, friendly, cooperative women are plentiful. Traffic in Bangkok rivals any metropolitan city in the U.S. Although tuk-tuks are a bit more expensive than the traditional taxis, the tuk-tuk is synonymous with Bangkok. This is Sukhumvit. That's Terminal 21. This mall is full of stores with everything you can think of. Beautiful temples, warm night weather, world-renowned customer service. After taking about 20 minutes to go 4 miles, we finally arrived in Chinatown. Me and Elle out here in Chinatown, trying to do our thing, repping that BMT. You dig? The lines were a little bit too long and a little bit too heavy for us, so we decided to head back to our hotel and have dinner on the rooftop. Open? 12? Okay.
No alcohol.
Can order? Can order?
Can orderค่ะbut not serve alcohol.
Okay. So, can we outside? Okay. Thai rules and laws are taken very seriously out here. You must obey the rules or deal with the consequences. This is our view from the top of the Sofitel in Bangkok. Thailand has so many levels to it, from state-of-the-art high-rises to scraping by in makeshift huts. Whether you crave the nightlife and all the action that comes with it, or peace and serenity of living in the countryside or visiting an ancient temple, Thailand has it all. The view was amazing! I gotta tell you guys, man, this is some fly shit. We're at the rooftop pool, We're at the rooftop restaurant of the Sofitel Hotel in Bangkok. And the view is breathtaking. I don't know if you guys can really understand what I'm trying to show you. Friday cop, we have our drinks. Me and Elle having a midnight drink. Even though we don't really drink like that, but it's a holiday, so they're not serving alcohol. So this is actually a virgin drink. But we're not mad at it. At least I'm not. I like my little big drinks. I'm more of a Bob Marley guy than a other way around, you dig? Cheers, Noodle.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับ thank you bye 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 good night guys. Even the maitre d' can get it. What can it say? Zoom to Thailand.
I will subscribe to you นะคะ
ขอบคุณครับ bye bye.
Team Music
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.